today I'll be doing another video, and in this video it will be a clear slime review. And it's not exactly clear, it is a little foggy because I've been playing with it. And also, guys, sorry if I doze off. I'm looking for my friend because I'm waiting for her to come play with me. And by the way, I'm in the bed of my dad's truck because I'm outside. So, ow. So yeah, let me go get the slime. Off with the lid. There's the slime. So yeah, here, let me get it out. Okay, so I'll drip that down there. And also, guys, can you please like and subscribe? And go to my brother's channel, Mr. C, and go like and subscribe to him. And please don't leave rude comments, please. And yeah,
we've been working on videos for a long time. Sometimes we don't really pick videos that much, but yeah, we don't like randomly pick them. We just choose the good one.
Yeah, but here's the slime, and it's pretty stretchy. Oh yeah, also guys, I'd like you to go check out Pia's Little Customs. Her channel's amazing, and she's giving me an inspiration to work on LPS customs, and I hope that she may give you inspirations too. So please go watch her channel and like and subscribe to her. Her channel's amazing. And
yeah, go to really my sister's, subscribe more to her, okay? Not to me, okay? She's really good at more videos than I.
And yeah, guys, I suppose that's the end of the video. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and yeah, bye guys!